Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making a Geode serving tray. I'm going to be starting out by showing you how I tape the back side of the Geode. I was struggling with this one a little bit, trying to figure out if I wanted to put a barrier on it or just let the resin slide off, but I wound up putting a barrier on it, and I'm glad that I did because I think it would have just been too runny had I not. So I took some gold leaf and I broke it up and mixed it in with some resin, and that's what I'm using for the geode. Usually I use crystals, but I wanted it to lay flat so you could put anything on the tray without it being uneven. So I actually found this piece at the thrift store, and it was the perfect size and shape for a geode. If you noticed before, it had those cutting edges, and I just thought that would really make for a nice natural cut. I was trying to leave some of it clear so you could see through it, and that's what I used for the transparent pigment there. So once you have the resin completely laid out, you always want to go in with a heat gun and just kind of make some waves and designs. Otherwise, I find it just to be a little bit boring, you know, it's just slices of color. But when you take the heat gun and you kind of make the cells and the pigment effect, I just think it gives it something special. So I always hit every piece that I do with a heat gun, also for bubbles, but you'll see once I hit it with the heat gun what it kind of does to the piece. And then we just have a close-up of it, and you can see what I was able to accomplish with moving the pigment around and how it's more chunky in one area and thin in another. And I just think it really gives it a great effect. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos in the future. Thank you guys so much.